You see, this landing page really sucks, right? Like there isn't like anything about what's gonna happen on the call and why they should do the call at all. I mean, the ad. I looked at the ad copy. The ad's okay. I would spend a bit more on refining that. But this is actually the least of the problems, and that's evident in the results from the creative so far, because people are clicking the ad and they're getting over to the landing page, right? And then they're just not even registering, right? Because so this stuff kind of makes good sense, right? And people are hopefully we're attracting the right person with it being for your business. But I'm guessing what's just happening is they're getting over there and they're not seeing any value on the landing page at all, or understanding why they should register for the call, and then they're bouncing, right? Because all you got is this bland headline, and then it's about him spending doing this so that he can make sure you grow your business, you keep every penny, and then it's just one small little line about seeing if a review of your situation and see if it makes sense for us to work together, right? There's no benefit at all. So it needs a much better headline. We need to flesh out what's going to happen on the call. I would have more trust elements in the top, like links to other pages on their website and stuff like that. Like, just having all these testimonials down here, isn't enough. You're not selling anybody on why they should take the time to get on the phone with you. The only thing that you're using is saying, "Hey, I spent 217 hours on studying this shit." But that doesn't mean that doesn't indicate anything to anybody. It's not like, well, there's no benefit, being expressed there. I mean, there's some of it being implied, but none of it being expressed at all. All right. And so like that would be that, and then I wouldn't have the form like right at the top here either. I'd have more of, if you're going to do a page like this, you should have it more of like a sales page style, and then have the button towards the bottom after they've gone through and you've sold them on the call, right? So I mean, if this ad really should be all about, the hook is good. What do the 2018 tax reform laws mean for your business? And there's a real good job of all that stuff in here of, playing on that dread, right? Okay, but none of that's on the landing page at all, right? And the whole point of getting on the call should be for him to walk them through a strategy for how to navigate the tax reform changes to make sure that they get back every penny that they're entitled to in the upcoming tax season. Okay, so and that's what the whole page should be spelling out, is this is what's going to happen. This is the benefit of the call. You talk about, you use sales language. We've got all kinds of different, examples. I don't need to go any further into that, but you need to sell that damn call on that page, and then have a way for people to register. Right? The way that's set up right now, it's just not going to work.